Right. Welcome back to Oscar Boy's Tech Info. I was just going through some deep diving into MariaDB, and I was wondering if I could use the select star from all, to display every data that is available within the tables in the various or the data which is available within the tables or the various tables in the database in MariaDB. And they just discovered that in MariaDB, as in other SQL databases, the select star from all statement is used to select all columns from a specific table. Now, to execute a query that retrieves all records from every table in a database, we would typically need to run separate select star from statements for each table within that particular database, right? So there is no direct command that simultaneously selects everything from all tables because it could cause significant performance issues, and generally it doesn't match common use case due to the complexity of combining potentially unrelated data. Now, uh, here are here is an example, of how we can list all tables and then generate SQL commands to select all data from each table in a MariaDB database, right? So we've got the very first option here. Well, I just went through and I did a kind of digging, and we've got the very first option here. As you can see, option number one, listing all tables in a specific database. So we can list all tables in a specific database using the following SQL command. So this is the command which is here at the bottom. So as you can see, it says select table name. So basically, we have to replace this with a table name, and then we have our from clause, and then this is the table name information, blah 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 blah, where table that equals to here table name, right? So replacing the your data table, blah 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 blah, this particular area, yeah, with the name of your database, yeah, to give us the results of what we need. So and then when we come down, we got option two. Option two, generating a select star from queries from each table. Now, this is what we've been doing or what we're quite used to, from employee table, user table, and. So you can write a script or a stored procedure that uses the output from the above query to instruct and execute a select star from query for each table, basically, what I just explained earlier. So we have, so if say for example we have user table, we have employee table, and then we have all that. So we create a script that actually retrieve the data from those particular tables, basically. Uh, so, and here is a basic example using a stored procedure, within MariaDB. So, as you can see here, I'm actually going through what my research that I've done. So, you have all that create procedure, and then you begin your procedure. You declare what you want to do, and then you end your procedure, basically. Yeah. So how to use a store procedure, you can see again here within a document, you replace the database with the name of your database. You run the store procedure using the call statement, which is here about call, select, blah, 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 blah. And then, yeah. So, yeah, this is, well, how you can actually do that. But I'm not very sure. I think back in the days, you could do a star, you could do a select star from all, to display. But again, no, we know with the development of IT, things have changed. So again, yeah.